Good morning, grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? So today let's learn how we can find the simplest or the lowest form of a given fraction. When do we say a fraction is in its simplest form? We say a fraction is in its simplest form when the common factor between the numerator and the denominator is only 1. That is, a fraction is said to be in its simplest form if the only common factor of the numerator and the denominator is 1. Let's see an example now. So here you have to consider this fraction 24 by 32. Now we are going to find the simplest form of this fraction. So how can we find the simplest form? So when you say simplest form, we are going to reduce the given fraction. So to reduce the given fraction, we are going to find the equivalent fractions of the given fraction by dividing with a common factor. So can you say a common factor for this numerator and the denominator, 24 and 32? 2 is a common factor, 4 is a common factor. So first I am going to divide this 24 and 32, both the numerator and denominator, by the factor 4. So that becomes equal to 24 by 4, then 32 by 4, or 24 divided by 4 by 32 divided by 4, which gives me 6 by 8. So now the numerator is 6 and denominator is 8. Now this 6 by 8 is an equivalent fraction of 24 by 32, which we got by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same factor. Now 6 by 8 can again be reduced. So I am going to divide both the numerator and the denominator with a common factor again. So both these are multiples of 2. So let's divide 6 and 8 by 2. That is both the numerator and the denominator by 2, which gives me 3 by 4. So this is another equivalent fraction of the original fraction 24 by 32. So see, we reduced the given fraction to a simpler form. Or if you look at it, the numerator and the denominator, the only common factor is 1. So now the fraction we obtain now, 3 by 4. This is the simplest form of the given fraction 24 by 32. So how did we get it? We repeatedly divided the numerator and the denominator with common factors until there is only 1 as the common factor between the numerator and the denominator. So this is one way. Now what if we can divide the numerator and the denominator with the greatest number possible so that we get the simplest form in one step? Can you tell me which is the largest number that can divide two or more given numbers? It will be the largest common factor, or the greatest common factor, or the highest common factor for the numerator and the denominator, right? So if you find out the HCF of the numerator and the denominator, you'll get the simplest form in just one step. We'll see the same question. You have to reduce 24 by 32 to the simplest form using HCF. So first you have to find out the HCF of the numerator and the denominator. So what is the HCF of 24 and 32? I've used the short division method or the common division method to find the HCF here. See, 2 into 2 into 2. The HCF is equal to 8. So now let's divide both the numerator and the denominator by 8. That is the HCF. And you see, you are getting the simplest form of the given fraction in just one step. So this is easier compared to the other method, right? So the easiest way to reduce a given fraction to its lowest form is to find the HCF of the numerator and the denominator, then divide the numerator and denominator with this HCF. Then you'll get the lowest form or the simplest form of the given fraction. So I hope this is clear to you. Now you have to go through this topic once again. The topic is called simplest form of a fraction. This is given in page number 82. Now there are solved examples also given in the textbook. Please go through the same. Now as a homework, you can also try this exercise given in page number 85, and you have to complete the questions 10 to 12 of exercise 6.2. That is question number 10, 11 and 12. So that's all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.